Good morning. Today we will discuss about the disease and what does disease looks like and what are the disease. How we will know we are suffering from a disease. You know that all the your body is composed of tissue and you have a different kinds of tissue. You have learned about the this tissue in earlier chapter. But in the case of tissue we have a different kinds of tissue and its organs and different types of tissue combined with each other form an organ and organ have a definite function, means each organ have a particular function, such as our alimentary canal have a stomach and intestine have a particular function to digestion of the food materials. Our muscles or skeletals are also tissue which helps for the movement. This is a tissue and their particular function. But when there is a disease, the functioning or appearance of one or more system of our body are changed. Means we can say if any disease in our body, our regular function will be disturbed. We cannot work in all around or inside or outside to the surroundings. Means if we have any disease, all the process which are happening in our body, they will be disturbed. For example, and for example we have a headache, and due to the stress, this headache are known as symptoms. Means when our body do work not properly, our body produce a types of characters, a type of symptoms, such as headache, loose motion, difficulty in breathing, or you can say cough. These are the characters combinedly called symptoms. But when we have a headache, it may be two reasons for headache. First one is due to stress, due to incomplete sleepiness, but it may be caused by meningitis, or it may be caused by some disease such as malaria, or in the case of encephalitis, or by attacking of a several kinds of organism or microorganisms such as bacteria, maybe viruses. Means headache are produced by the viruses, bacteria, as well as stress, as well as our lacking of sleeping. So these are so many reasons which produced two particular symptoms. But what are the sign of a disease? What are the sign of disease? If the any physician will tell you this particular characters, this particular symptoms are produced by a particular bacteria. If the physician or doctor tell us this disease, these symptoms are produced by a particular bacteria. If the our body is heated or warm, or you can say if we have a fever, it may be two reasons. The first may be due to incomplete sleepiness, and due to bacterial or due to viral fever, bacterial fever or maybe viral fever. And the symptoms are the fevers. But when a physician or doctor will tell you this particular fever are caused by bacteria is known as sign. And when we cannot distinguish these symptoms, what are the reason for producing these symptoms? So we will say this is a symptoms. So these are the difference between the symptoms and sign. When we will recognize this particular symptoms are caused by particular microorganism, this is known as sign, and we cannot distinguish, we cannot characterize what are the disease, what are the reason by which these disease are produced, what they are, be bacteria or maybe viral. This is known as symptoms. And this disease are two types: acute disease and chronic disease. Acute disease which lasts, which terminates within a few days. When the symptoms, when the sign of the disease are last or terminates or end within a few days, is known as acute disease. And when the symptoms are continuously maintained in our body for a few months, for a few years, is known as chronic disease. Chronic disease lasts in a few days, in a few months, in a few years, but it lasts or it ends, it terminates within a few days. Such as common cold, it is an acute disease. Common cold which lasts, which ends within a few weeks, within a 1 week. But in a case of chronic disease such as tuberculosis in our lungs, which last for several years. So this is an acute and chronic disease. And chronic disease is very harmful for our body, but acute disease not very harmful, such as common cold or simple fever or simple headache. It lasts or end within a few days, but chronic disease such as TB or AIDS and hepatitis and etc., these are the disease which directly affect our body and produce some kinds of different system by which we cannot do work always. This is a harmful effect of the chronic disease. And tomorrow we will discuss about the causes of disease. Thank you.